skater Jeff Greer on the decks now. Hasn't broken yet. We're like 2 minutes in. Here's your update, still in one piece. A little bit scratched up, but I like it. How's it feel, Jeff?
Amazing.
I'm sorry,
Amazing.
Pro skater Jeff.
Yeah, right. About to test out these Carolina boards next.
Yeah, see how that one feels.
Woo. Clean.
So, for now.
For now. Just a quick update on Jeff. I posted in my stories earlier this morning when we were out skating. He messed up his ankle. Thought it was just a really bad sprain. Posted a photo of it. It looked pretty bad. He got it in for x-rays. He actually broke his ankle. So best wishes to him for a quick recovery. It was pretty rough. I did get it on video, kind of. But more importantly, Wobie, you know what that means, right? My boards didn't break. My board broke. A skateboarder. Checkmate.
Now skateboards, they have 4 wheels. What else has 4 wheels? A car. Cars have 4 wheels. Now what do car wheels have on them? Car tires. Now why are we talking about car tires? Well, Carolina's new pit stop model boots. Actually, Carolina Shoes' newest style of boots are called the pit stop boots. They are the only boots in the world that use the same biopolymer technology as Goodyear tires. And basically all that means is that the outsole on the bottom of the boots uses the same rubber as Goodyear tires. See the connection? It's obvious now, right? Now, Carolina Shoes sponsored this build video. They are a huge supporter of everything that I do on this channel and make builds like this possible. And they pass along a coupon code for me to share with my viewers, SKATE10. That'll get you 10% off these boots and any boots at carolinashoe.com. Now, all you have to do is click on the link down below to check out these brand new pit stop style boots. I'll also provide a link down there to their main website page so you can check out all the styles of boots that they have to offer. Now, I'm not done yet. We're also running an awesome giveaway. It's going to be for a full set of 4 tires. That's not for these little guys over here. We're giving away a full-size set of Goodyear tires to go on your car, so your car can have a new pair of shoes too. And we're not just giving away tires either. Another person is going to win one of these Carolina Pallet Wood skateboard decks. And we'll also give away a pair of the brand new Pit Stop Carolina boots. Now, I also have to give a huge shout out to Jeff Greer. He absolutely shredded these skateboard decks, as you saw in the video. And he put his body on the line. He legit broke his ankle riding these boards. Now, last but not least, I gotta mention Wobie Design. If you don't follow either of us on Instagram, then you missed out on the skateboard build battle feud of the century. Now, he built his own upcycled skateboard decks just like me, except his building material was other broken skateboard decks. Now, good news is that there's a full YouTube video for that build as well, so if I were to stop talking, you will see that linked on an end card here on the screen. Actually, I think that's all I got for you today. Links down below. Get a lot of work to do, so get to it. Checkmate.